Hi guys, it's Yongxinhu. Welcome back. Back in 2016, my best friends, Kaylee, Christiana, and I, we were all living in the same student accommodation. We often have lunch or dinner together. This is one of their most favorite dish. So tonight, I'm gonna teach you guys this Kole chicken wing dish. Right, let's not waste any more time. Get it straight in. First of all, I'm gonna prepare the chicken wing. I'm gonna quickly pop my gloves on. We are going to use 8 chicken wings. So in this dish, we are going to use the end part of the wing and the middle part of the wing. So for the front part of the wing, I'm going to chop them off and leave in the fridge. So whenever I'm going to make a chicken stock, they are going to be my friend. So I'm just going to quickly separate all the wings, and I'm basically going to separate the wings to 3 parts. So here are my prepared chicken wings. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in a slightly larger saucepan, and I'm gonna pop them in, put some boiling water, add some ginger, and a tiny bit of Chinese cooking wine. The purpose of this step is to get rid of any unpleasant smell or taste from the chicken. Right, let's move to the hob. Now I'm gonna quickly slice some ginger. So I'm gonna separate them to 4 and 4. So this part go into the sauce, and this part to help us get rid of the unpleasant smell from the chicken. Now I'm gonna put my chicken wings in the saucepan. I'm gonna add some boiling hot water in the saucepan. So basically just enough to cover all the chicken wings. Then I'm gonna add the 4 slices of ginger and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Then tiny bit of star anise. I'm gonna leave them in there for about 6 to 8 minutes, depends on how many chicken wings you got. And after that, we're going to take them out. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of foamy bits in the saucepan. I'm gonna use a spoon to try to remove them from the saucepan. So in my previous video, when I made the sticky pork belly, I explained why we are removing all the foamy bits. If you want to know why, I will pop the link above. Make sure you go check it out. Right guys, it has been about 8 minutes because my timer's gone off. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and get my chicken wings out and leave them on the side for about 10 minutes each, or until they are completely cooled. Now my chicken wings are completely cooled, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut a few small lines on them. So when we cook them later on, the sauce will soak in them, and so the meat inside will taste better. And now I'm gonna move to the hob and start the main part of the Kole chicken wing. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat, and I'm gonna start to fry my chicken wings. So we are going to start with high heat, let the pan warm up. Then I'm gonna add a tiny bit olive oil in my frying pan. And we are going to pop our chicken wings in the pan while turn the heat down to medium. So here we are going to add a little bit of caramelization on both sides of chicken wings. So make sure you keep your eyes on your chicken wings. And constantly stir your chicken wings, just in case the skin is stuck at the bottom of the pan. So I can see like caramelization start to appear on my chicken wings. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon light soy sauce plus a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then we are going to put in ginger slices, some spring onions from this morning, and then we are going to add about 500 milliliter Coca-Cola. So the Coca-Cola I'm using for this dish is the full fat one, because at the end we want like a little bit sticky sauce on top of the chicken wings. If you want to use, for example, Diet Coke or 0%, I would probably advise you add about 1 tablespoon of sugar, otherwise the sauce won't be sticky at all. So from here, I'm gonna leave my chicken wings in the saucepan for about 10-15 minutes, and we're going to leave the heat on medium-high. So we are going to reduce them, get the point the sauce starts to turn really sticky. Depends on how many chicken wings you got in your saucepan and how much Coca-Cola you put in. So I would probably say for mine, I will leave them in there for about 12 minutes. I'll come back, check them in 12 minutes. Right guys, it has been about 12 minutes. I'm just giving you guys a quick update what's going on in the saucepan. So at the moment, probably you guys can see the sauce is getting really sticky. So what I'm gonna do from here, I'm gonna flip all the chicken wings to make sure both sides got sauce on them. I have to say guys, you must be patient with your chicken wings. If you turn the heat on too high, the skin will definitely stuck at the bottom of the pan, or you probably overcook your chicken wings. Guys, most of the Coca-Cola are boiled away now. As you can see on the chicken wings, there are loads of sticky sauce, and we are going to take them out and plate them up. Wow! Before I go away and try my chicken wings, I'm gonna put a little bit of garnish on top of them. So I'm just gonna put a pinch of coriander, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit spring onions, and the last but not least, some sesame seed. Here are my cola chicken wings. It smells so good. Now it's the most important part. Try my chicken wings. Oh, they smell so good and they look absolutely amazing, guys. Gosh, can't wait. I'm gonna try that now. Oh wow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye. Oh god. So good. Oh my god.